Learning to code can seem tedious and repetitive. It requires learning a whole new language and way of thinking. Most programming languages contain similar concepts like functions and if-else statements. They just vary on their syntax, and this takes time to learn. Usually, heavy text-laden manuals are used along with sites like Learn Python the Hard Way, which doesn't hide the fact that yes, it is hard to learn. So, what if there was a more fun and engaging way to teach programming? Still just as hard, but more entertaining. Since a large amount of people get into programming to make games, why not use games to teach programming? I looked at 3 commercially available indie games offered on Steam to see if through playing them I could learn programming and in the process demonstrate mastery of some Massachusetts state technology standards. In the first game, Shenzhen.io, the player assumes the role of a newly hired migrant employee of Concept Operating Systems in Shenzhen, China. The story of the company is revealed through a series of email exchanges with fellow employees and the solving of programming challenges very similar to Arduino. In the second game, Elseheart.break, has the player pretend to be a young adult named Sebastian who has moved to the distant city of Dorsberg to start his first job. Once there, he discovers that everything around him is actually made of bits that can be reprogrammed using the game language Sprack. As his skills improve, you learn more about the evil lurking within the ruling ministry. In the third game, Screeps, the player must build a base, defend it, and conquer other players' territory in this multiplayer online real-time strategy experience. Each creep is programmed using JavaScript to perform functions like harvesting energy, building new buildings, or exploring and conquering other players' rooms. The program runs even while the player is offline, creating a persistently competitive atmosphere of coding skill. These are just 3 examples of many games programmers have developed to make learning how to code more fun and rewarding.
Created using Powtoon.